Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TOTP for Microsoft account with Authenticator app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize TOTP for your Microsoft account using the Authenticator app, start by downloading the Microsoft Authenticator app from your device's app. Once the app is installed, open it and select Add Account. Choose the option to add a work or school account. Next, log into your Microsoft account on your computer. Go to the Security Settings page within your Microsoft account dashboard. Look for the option labeled More Security Options. Locate and click on Set up Authenticator app. A QR code will appear on the screen. Return to the Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon or scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer. Once the code is scanned, the app will automatically add your Microsoft account. You will see the new account listed alongside any others you may have. Next, go back to your computer screen. You will notice a verification code generated by the Authenticator app for your account. Enter this code into the appropriate field on your computer to complete the setup. Once the code is accepted, your Microsoft account is now securely linked with the Authenticator app. You can now use this app to generate time-based one-time passcodes for added security. Make sure to keep your device with the Authenticator app close at hand. This will ensure you have easy access to your codes when logging into your Microsoft account. Remember to regularly check for any updates to the Authenticator app for optimal security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.